In the ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrency, one token is rewriting the rules and unlocking a promising future. Meet XAXH, the crypto token that addresses the staggering issue of retailers losing $7 trillion in revenue through discounting. But how does it work? XAXH aims to capture this lost value and transform it into something more. By digitizing discount vouchers and allowing retailers to stake XAXH tokens worth 20% of their total issued discount value, a new form of decentralized value transfer is created. This innovative approach revolutionizes the cryptocurrency industry by shifting its value from mere speculation to real-world utility. With over $2 million raised, XAXH is not just a token, it's a game changer. This coin helps you to gain shares or buy liquidity of all Elon Musk projects. It's poised to unlock global utility and drive widespread crypto adoption. The future of money is promising, and XAXH is leading the way. Don't miss out on this transformative journey.